Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel where I share with you all my tips on how to clean your house in an eco-friendly way. I also review cleaning products. I'm using the Citric acid. I'm going to be using this product again this week. I'm going to be showing you how I descale the kettle. This is my lovely kettle. I'm going to be using this. I'm going to be degreasing it. It looks a bit greasy at the moment. Sorry, it needs a little bit of TLC. Also inside there's a bit of limescale building up. I live in a hard water area, so I'm going to show you. It's not too bad, but I just don't like seeing my kettle. So we're going to follow the instructions, and it says fill the kettle halfway and bring it to boil. So we're going to do that right now. Okay, so it has fully boiled, and it says leave for a minute. We take that off so we don't burn ourselves. Take that off, and then we're gonna turn off the socket. Sure, you can probably see the steam coming out, so it's still very hot. So we're going to put a glove on and this spoon. You can't really see anything or hear anything fizzing at the moment. It's just a slight hiss. Put our timer, put it for 10 minutes. Okay. Start. So whilst I wait for that, as you can see, the kettle itself does not look very glistening. Got myself a little lunchbox. Gonna get like a tablespoon. Just pour it in there. I'm just going to get this, and I'm just going to scrub the kettle. Okay, I just have to quickly move location because it's getting too dark. So this is what the kettle is looking like right now. Alarm has gone off, and it looks so much better already. I'm not sure if you can tell. So I'm just going to pour out the water into the sink. It looks brand new, doesn't it? All the lime scale has literally just come off. So I'm going to rinse this and boil this 2 more times, and it's ready to go. Bring it to boil. Okay, I'm just going to pour the remainder out. Inside and out. Guys, can you check out this spoon? Like, it's literally sparkling. Look at that. It looks almost like brand new, like it's never been used before. Wow, citric acid is actually amazing for spoons as well. So that's it from me. And the citric acid, I'm thinking it's really good. So I'm going to share with you my final thoughts on my use of it. So my final thoughts on this citric acid, and to descale the kettle and to clean the kettle, I'll give this 10 out of 10 because normally when I do descale my kettle and I'm using, you know, all the toxic chemicals and all the chemical stuff like Kill Rock, etc., I find that the smell is a lot stronger. And sometimes when I've tried to descale using white vinegar, it's so strong, and it just doesn't work out really well for me. So I highly recommend using citric acid. So if you're with me last week, you saw how I used this to clean my sink, and this is my first time ever using citric acid around the house, and I said it worked amazing, especially around the sink, because I compared it to my most favorite product, which is the pink stuff. You know what, I'm so impressed with this. I can't even express. But honestly, just to Descale this, it didn't take that long. It didn't have the smell. It didn't have, like, you know, I didn't have to open so many windows just to get proper circulation in the room. So I am thoroughly impressed with citric acid. And yeah, anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying all the content, and I will see you guys on the next video. You have a lovely day. Bye.